You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city. In Poland, we'll be looking at how to say more city names in Poland, in Polish as well. That's actually how you spell it in Polish. All those different signs on letters that designate different sounds, okay? That's how you say it. Łódź, łódź, okay? Łódź, because it is not spelled L-O-D-Z or L-O-D-Z. It's spelled that way. Łódź is how you say it. Note, not loads. Loads is incorrect, even though Google says it's loads. It's not. Łódź, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.